ang bagsik ng anak sa labas ni Jordan at parang Michael Jordan and Kobe Bryant lang ang tapatan ni Anthony Edwards at Jamal Murray. Itong si Anthony Edwards parang Michael Jordan lang. Crossover si Ant-Man na ipasok ang mid-range jumper na to. Gandang laban, pure skills at game 1 pa lamang ito mga idol. 35 points na for Ant-Man Anthony Edwards.
Give me hope, the strength, the will to keep on. No one else can make me feel this way, and only you can do. I believe you turn the tide and make me feel real good inside. You push me up when I'm about to give up.